Today we're in Spokane at Ruins, the tiny restaurant with huge flavors. Although Ruins may look small, for owner Tony Brown, it's the taste that counts.
It's very quaint, very small, low ceilings.
It is a little hole-in-the-wall place, but that's also the charm of it too. It's like one of those hidden gems in Spokane that just serves up some of the best meals you could imagine.
I think it's kind of a neighborhood restaurant, but at the same time it draws people from all over the city.
So Ruins, that's kind of a cool name. Anything behind that, or?
Yeah, when I found it, it was in ruins.
Oh, no.
So we just kind of, patched it up, made it look nice, and opened it up.
Oh, it's fun. It's really relaxed. It's very energetic, and it's just a nice, fun place to hang out.
It feels like you're walking into a family's house and they're cooking you their favorite meal.
Yeah, we change our menu every single month.
Ruins features a unique, rotating menu featuring different ethnic foods every month.
Everything here is fresh, and I think the fact that they rotate it keeps it fresh and it keeps it kind of clean and new.
I think it keeps people coming back because they can't wait to see what's going to happen next.
If you, take a trip to Seattle, take a trip to Portland or wherever, you kind of, you go to these restaurants and you kind of wish that, oh, I wish Spokane had that. That's kind of what we try and do with our menus is, we're bringing it to Spokane.
They had Japanese, and then they had Moroccan or Middle Eastern. You get a different experience every time you come.
I love it. This seems like a little hole in the wall and a great discovery.